visual imagery. Visual imagery, it is a figure of speech in which a visual image of something is created in our mind. So, what is an imagery? Do you know and do you have any idea what is an imagery? Yes, definitely. I hope you know it because we have already done imagery. Imagery is something that the poet wants to create a picture in our mind, and when that picture is created, whenever we are reading a poem, there is created an image of that thing, and that image which is created in our mind, it is called an imagery. So an imagery is a figure of speech that creates an image of something in our mind. And many types of imagery that we have done, as you know, that is visual imagery, auditory imagery, tactile means like touch, and then olfactory imagery, olfactory which means that a thing that can be smell, and gustatory which is related to taste. So these are the imageries that we have already learnt. We already know about it. So this is the figure of speech, that is visual imagery, that the poet has used in this poem. And how do we come to know? Because image that is created in our mind, and we get to know that how the poet has used visual imagery. So these are the examples that I have written over here after the poem. The sun comes out, this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. The sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. Now, all these words, if you are going to imagine, like whenever we are going to see such a picture, definitely comes to our mind of sun, like how the sun will come out, how the rain will fall on the thick leaves, and then how that raindrops would go under the under the thin leaves, that are the poor leaves, and then the poet says that the rain stops, and then afterwards a wondrous light. So each round, like these are the words, when we read the poem, an image was created in our mind. So that is called a visual imagery. I hope you have understood this visual imagery. When we read the poem, a picture was created in our minds. That picture is called a visual imagery. So the whole poem is basically based on visual imagery.